good habits, come and sing along. Learn them every day, make your life strong. Wake up early in the morning, yeah. Stretch your body, no more snoring. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Start your day in a happy way. Good habits, clap your hands. Follow them daily, be smart and grand. Say please and say thank you. Be kind to everyone you meet too. Eat your food on time each day. Healthy meals help you play. Drink clean water, don't waste a drop. Save our planet, never stop. Yeah? Good habits, jump and say. We will follow them every day. Help your friends and share your toys. Kindness brings us lots of joy. Keep your room tidy and clean. Make it the neatest you've ever seen. Respect elders, greet them well. Good manners make you shine and tell tales. Good habits make you bright. They guide you day and night.